depending on your geographic location. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening or bon après-midi. Guten Tag, Wang Hao, Konnichiwa or Buenos Dias. On behalf of Maan Engineering, I would like to welcome you to our contribution to the 2020 AWA Linerles Labeling Industry Seminar presentation. Maan Engineering is honored to be invited to participate in this virtual Linerles seminar, and we thank AWA for the opportunity to put Linerles developments in the spotlights. In addition to an update on Linerles developments, we have some important news to share with you. We want to save the best for last, so stay tuned for our announcement at the end of this presentation. Linerles labeling is increasingly recognized as a full-grown product in addition to the regular PSA labels, and the Linerles market is continuously developing. I would like to share with you the practical side of Linerles based on our motto, your label is our starting point. My name is Remco van der Velde, and I have been active in the label industry since 1990. I started my working life as an operator, and like the label business, I kept developing myself. My roots lie in the practical side of making labels, and this still helps me in understanding what customers need as business development manager at Maan Engineering. At Maan Engineering, we are specialized in coating equipment, where a constant and predictable coating quality guarantees problem-free processing of Linerles labels. Maan Engineering also has 25 years experience in the application of hot melt and silicon layers, the critical success factors for a high-end label. This technique is the result of continuous development and innovation in collaboration with our R&D department. I'm seeing clear developments in growth of Linerles labels and would therefore like to share a more detailed look at them. I would like to address the following points. Growing awareness of sustainability. Applicators are more readily available. Increase in Linerles label manufacturers and savings. Of course, we are all familiar with present-day developments in terms of sustainability, a subject that is more and more actively discussed. Linerles is very topical within this discussion, as it's quite simple, allows you to contribute to reduce your ecological footprint in various ways. Firstly, through the reduction in paper used, and secondly, through the added advantages such as smaller storage capacity and fewer transport movements being required. Thanks to the increased awareness, we are seeing more and more manufacturers supplying Linerles applicators. An increasing number of applicator manufacturers already include one or more variants in their range, suitable or special developed for Linerles labels. This removes any thresholds for interesting parties, therefore enabling them to also contribute to a more sustainable environment. The Maan Engineering website features the applicator manufacturers and the versions they can provide. By making this info available, we strive to make the transition to Linerles as easy as possible. After all, it is essential that we all make a concerted positive contribution to protecting our environment. Offering an overview of Linerles applications is our way of guiding your decision. The real success of the transition relies on the cooperation between the applicator supplier and Linerles label producers. Their challenge is to develop a total market proposition. We are therefore appealing to printer suppliers. Please call us or send us additions you may have to our list. You can help us to keep our list of Linerles equipment up to date for everyone to benefit. By the way, this info is freely available to anyone visiting our website. I'm aware that there is still an imbalance between demand and supply in Linerles. Although The number of suppliers is on the up. There is still limited local availability. Within the market, we are seeing transport movements between countries and even between continents. This offers opportunities for more regional and local production. It is supported by earlier, but certainly also recent reports by organizations such as the AWA that detail the growth figures per continent and market. Currently, cost savings are mostly indirect labor costs like transport and storage. Due to the high quality material needed to produce linerless labels, there is a relatively small difference in product cost of standard labels versus linerless labels. Maan Engineering and Linerles Group are currently well on their way to being able to process an ecologically sound material. Direct thermal paper suppliers are hereby challenged to supply a wider range of materials that offers sufficient absorption for silicon while guaranteeing the quality of the adhesion at a decreasing cost price. The challenge we have undertaken is to reduce the glue and silicon coating weight without loss of release value of adhesive power. We are proud to have created this opportunity to reduce glue consumption through the introduction of smart glue zones. Another development now visible is the application of clear-to-clear linerless labels. The use of high-speed application for linerless labels for high-volume productions provides opportunities in markets otherwise inaccessible to linerless. New markets are also opening up thanks to the arrival of alternative coatings and materials for green or recyclable linerless labels. Think in terms of washable adhesive, for example. All these possibilities can result in greater saving in the future, for each option in itself, but even more so when combined. Another new possibility embraced by Maan Engineering is a full service package for linerless label producers. We have made this possible by entering into a partnership with Linerles Group. And now, as promised, we have been saving the best for last. In order to provide a full service solution for linerless label producers, we are launching a new linerless and laminates label platform where two specialists have merged their knowledge in a single powerful combination.
Your label, our starting point. That is the defining mission statement of both Maan Engineering and the Linerles Group. Together with more than 100 years of cutting-edge coding and converting experience, these two companies have partnered and put their focus and dedication on introducing a versatile range of high-quality label production solutions. Welcome to the new ProCoat series of coating and converting systems. With our combined expertise in coding and converting, we understand the intense demands of the label industry. This results in machines that produce label materials that perfectly address the requirements of the label manufacturer. High quality, a consistent and efficient production process with an increasing yield and ease of operation. Together, we have developed and produced an all-in-one solution for the global label industry that address the growing requirements for lean manufacturing. The ProCoat series allows you the choices for standard PS material coating and lamination, linerless material production, or a hybrid that allows for the manufacturing of both products, as well as the ability to print and die cut within these processes, the best of both worlds. Maan Engineering and Linerles Group are proud to introduce their complete portfolio of label production lines where coding and converting merge. Let's take a closer look at a ProCoat linerless label coating configuration. The unwind station for the infeed of flexible materials on rolls, such as paper, films, and foil substrates, consists of an unwind position for either the standard of 40-inch rolls or the optional 50-inch rolls, a web guiding system with a splice table, and an outfeed nip roll for the web tension. The servo-driven flexo print stations include automatic registering system, auto throw-off for the analox rolls, a doctor blade chamber, ceramics analox, a chill roller and chiller system, and an ink recirculation pump to meet the most demanding printing standards. The module includes the possibility of combining both UV curing and water-based ink hot air drying systems together to cover any customer need. The high-stability perforation module is driven by a servo motor to register the printing with the perforation processes with the highest accuracy. Hydraulic gauges permit a fine pressure control to extend the cutting tool life. In the next step, we will switch from standard converting to the world of Linerles. The standard corona treater for pre-treating the substrates so that the silicone can be effectively applied onto the substrate. The silicone coating station has been developed for the very accurate application of silicone coatings. By means of a high-performance inert gas chamber in combination with a UV lamp, the coating layer is cured extremely quickly by UV radiation. The Analox roll in this 3-roller system, which is also optional as a 5-roller system, applies the silicone from the Dr. blade chamber in exactly the right thickness onto the coating roller. The coating roller in the silicone coating station is fitted with a sleeve which is quickly interchangeable. The sleeve makes it easy to vary coating widths and coating patterns. The basis of the hot melt coating station is the coating head. Highly accurate application is guaranteed with 3 individually driven pumps. The glue is applied faster and more homogeneously over the whole width of the web. The coating weight remains constant even with changing web speeds. The coating head is able to apply extremely thin coatings without dye lines or thickness tolerances. The coating head is suitable for various types of nozzles. The quick changeover of the nozzles ensure that patterns are easy to adjust and time efficient. The drum melter is ideally suited for processing hot melt adhesives, thanks to the melt-on-demand capability built into the system. The heated melting plate melts and pumps only the top layer of the hot melt adhesive. The remaining hot melt remaining in the drum stays stable and cannot degrade in quality. The rewinding stations are crucial in the ProCoat label production lines and ensure that the materials are rewound accurately and ensure the production of uniformly finished rolls based on exacting rewind tension control. The system includes 2 different rewinding options that can be run simultaneously. This premium rewind station with continuous process control is perfect for paper, film, and foil rewound into jumbo production rolls. The turret rewind system provides non-stop production of printed and/or finished product rolls of labels. The system includes automatic core loading and print and an apply roll closure system with automatic positioning for 0 downtime when job changing. Fully automatic processes combined with a servo-driven tension control system ensures a non-stop process guaranteeing the best roll quality available today. This module allows the line to operate as 2 independent systems, yielding the highest productivity and operator flexibility. 1. Roll-to-roll linerless production, and 2. Roll-to-finish pressure-sensitive label rolls through the glueless turret rewinder. Process monitoring is a key factor for a perfect product. The line includes different HMI screens to visualize in detail the perfect performance of all parameters. In combination with a user-friendly graphic interface, ergonomic movable screens will help the operator to keep all details under control. Customers are our main focus, which is why the ProCoat series includes a tele-maintenance system. This includes a webcam, internet connection for remote monitoring, and voice assistance. Our technical support engineers will be there to assist you to minimize machine downtime. From unwinding to boxed finished products, there are all kinds of different compositions to configure according to your requirements. The ProCoat series gives you all the opportunities to produce your own high-quality labels. Of course, your specific question is central to this.
Delivering the best of both worlds in label coating and converting in one integrated production line. That's our joint ambition. As 2 privately owned family firms with the same level of dedication, supplying the label industry with a total package for label coating and converting. Should you have any questions about this presentation, the ProCoat series, or about Linerles in general, please do not hesitate to contact us. In these COVID-19 times, your safety and ours is naturally of the utmost importance to us. We are happy to set up an interactive live stream and video meetings with you. Contact us if you are interested in seeing a Pro Code Series production line in action in real life. Want to plan a demo run or watch a demo run carried out for you? Or if you would like to exchange ideas and have your questions answered. Thank you for your attention.